Hi guys, I'm back with another mani. So Born Pretty was kind enough to let me pick out 5 of their new jelly nude polishes. And so I picked out one glitter jelly, I think 2 semi jellies, and one I think it was like a milky jelly. I forget how it is, but we're gonna go ahead and get into these packages. So thank you to Born Pretty for sending me these polishes. And so the first color is Ice Jelly 10, which is a purple jelly color. Really cute, and I know it's a little dark, but it's still a jelly color. The next one is a glitter jelly, which is like a mint green with like hints of has like hints of like gold or yellow or shimmer in there as well. The next color is a semi jelly number 9, which kind of gives off like an red orange, more red to me, color as well. The next one is, I think that's another semi jelly. No, this is the ice jelly number 4. This is kind of like a peachy type jelly nude. And the last one is a semi jelly number 01, and that's a milky jelly. And these particular jelly polishes are HEMA free. They are HEMA free. And so here are all of the swatch sticks beside each other. You can clearly see they are all jelly colors, swatch with 2 coats of color and Born Pretty's top coat. And so we're going to go ahead and get into a mani. So I do have some full coverage gel nails from Model Ones, and so I'm going to go in with Mia Secret's Extra Bond to apply on top of the nails. And this acts like a double-sided tape that allows the gel polish to adhere to the nails without having to use base coat. And so lately, well, not lately, in this particular video, I affixed the nails to the nail stand with putty, because what I've noticed is that when I use either the nail tabs that you can put inside the nail, or I had like a double-sided little round oval, when I use those, it seemed like the nail kind of curved in on itself during the curing process. So I don't know what that's about, but I did the putty this time, made sure that I covered the whole nail, and it worked well. So I'm applying this first layer of polish, and I'm applying that in a thin layer as possible. And I polish real slow in real life, so I have to always speed my videos up because I be moving like a snail. And no, I do not show all nails on camera. I just show 2 nails in this particular video. So I'm applying that first layer of polish in a thin layer, or a thin of a layer as possible. And then I'm going to cure the nails in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. These are a 60-second cure in an LED lamp. And so I'm just making sure I get that as smooth as possible. Again, curing. And here are the nails after the first coat of color. I then go in and apply another thin second coat of color to all nails. And then I'm going to cure in my LED lamp. So after that second coat has cured, here are the nails. I then have like some clear, kind of like bubbles. So my plan, and I think I got these off Temu or Shein, I believe, one of those. And I bought them because they were clear. And so I didn't end up messing up my pinky, but I'll explain what I did later. But I'm going in with Born Pretty's 6-in-1 nail glue gel that does require curing, because I'm going to randomly place these little clear circles or gems on the nail, kind of give it like a bubble effect on the nail. My plan was to use these with a blue jelly color, kind of give that like bubble effect. But I thought this was cute. You could put this on top of any jelly like color. Makes it like you have bubbles on the nail. So I'm just picking up the random sizes there and just kind of placing them in like a little swirly pattern on the nail. And I don't do all nails. I just place them on the middle finger, the thumbnail, and the pinky nail. But this is the only nail that I show on camera, is the middle nail. And so you can see it picks up the color of the jelly nude color. And once I get those placed, I'm going to cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. Thought they were cute. I thought they were really cute. And then so again, I don't show all nails. And so what happened was I messed my pinky up, because you got to top coat these nails. So I'm going in with Born Pretty's top coat, and I was like, let me just put this over the whole nail. Don't do that, don't do that. I tried to wipe some of the top coat off of the little bubbles, and I didn't get it good all the way. So my pinky is kind of messed up, and I'm gonna try to show you the difference between the pinky nail and the middle and thumbnail, because with the middle finger and thumbnail, I kind of went around the bubbles, went around it just to kind of seal that in so that they really adhere to the nail without, my hair getting snagged or anything like that. And so once I get all of the nails top coated, I'm going to cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So here are the nails finished. That they kind of remind me of grapes. And so you can see my pinky nail is kind of like, looks a little cloudy, and that's because I put top coat on top of the little clear rhinestones, and then they kind of look all jumbled up. I don't know if you can really tell the difference on camera. And then you can see my middle finger, it's not all jumbled up because I went around the bubbles. And so I do apply these with sticky tabs. So coming up, these are the nails applied. I thought they were really cute and simple. So please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free 99. So thanks for watching, and thank you to Born Pretty for sending me these products. I'll see you guys next time.